The market is always leaving clues about what it's going to do next. If your charts are so full of lagging indicators that you can't see what that is, you're eventually going to lose out to the pro traders who can read what's happened in the market, and it leaves a footprint for what's going to come next. Stay tuned, and I'll show you how we did that again today and how we do it every day in the live trade room. Welcome back to Day Trade Like a Pro. This is the review for Thursday, February 13th. We're looking at the S&P 500. This is a 5-minute chart. And what we have here, we have a prediction point right here. You can ignore these dotted lines here. A prediction point here and a prediction point here. If you don't know what prediction points are, that's our proprietary prices that are calculated by our algorithm. And then we have those prices a day in advance. So we have tomorrow's prices right now, but these are the prices for Thursday, and we're going to talk about those. These green prices, green lines, are what I drew in, and then this here is just one of those really old-fashioned trend lines. And you don't see me do many of those, but I said this morning in the pre-market video that it looked like it was probably going to be useful today. So what we said is that this area needed to hold. We actually said 58.50. The low was 59. I think we said 58.75 and the low was 59. Either way, it's a tick or two. So we said that area needed to hold right there for higher. And then when they came up here, so just to put that in perspective, it's about 11 points right there to there. We said this area was going to be critical to get up above this 71.25 area and hold up above there. So what happened is we came up to 71.25 and then they came back. This time on the way back, we said that they couldn't take out 59.50. So you can see this is at 7:05, and I'll pull up the live trade signals, and we said right here, you can see right in here, we said 59.50. Oh, sorry, 59.50. So we said they don't take out 59.50, then just a probe. That was at 7:05. So this was happening right here in real time as it's coming down here. And I posted in there saying if it didn't hold 59.50, then, or if they held 59.50, then it was just a probe and we're going higher. So what happened here? We probed down here, and the low there, if you can read that, that's 59.50. So they held 59.50 to the tick. That was irrelevant at this point. It had nothing to do with that trend line. Don't get confused by that. So we said 59, or we said 58.75. They held 59 right here. Then we said they can't come any lower than 59.50 right here. 59.50 held to the tick. We traded up. Here's our prediction point. Traded up to the prediction point again up here. Probed it just a little bit, and then they pulled back. Now, here's what I want to, the market actually ended up closing. We pulled back here to the 71.25. Not a surprise because we used that over here. So we pulled back here to 71.25 and really said they could have come all the way back here to the 68 area, no problem. But they came back to 71.25. And then let's just see what's happened here in the Globex is the market has gone ahead and moved up. Now this is an all-time high. If I pull this in here, this is a 5-minute chart. You can see we've never been that high. And we have this prediction point up here at 89.50. And we came within 1 point of that. I don't know if I put that here in the chat, but let's just go ahead and take a look. And we can see here, right here at 6:24 today, 2/13 at 6:24 a.m. Pacific time, we said if we can hold above 60, 61, big picture, then we could get that next push up to 89.50. And then we said the pullback 61.25, and then we said right here 59.50. So if they couldn't take out 59.50, we're going higher. And also that's all right in the video, in the pre-market video, which I'll post the link here at the end. And we said 89.50. We traded within a tick of that. Would have been nice to see it come up a little bit more, within a point. And so a point's going to have to be close enough for right now. Very possible we come up and touch that again and actually get it to the tick, or maybe a few ticks through it, or maybe it even goes higher. And then about this time we're going to start switching over to tomorrow's prices, so we'll see how that all plays out. But a point here, pretty close. By the way, this is at not that long ago. Yeah, so we're looking about 8 o'clock. So we're looking at here 7 o'clock. And about 12 hours ago, about 12 and a half hours ago, we said 89.50, all-time high, never traded there. So that's not magic. That's called prediction points. That's pretty normal. If you've been around a while, we've been hitting these all-time highs. We've pretty much done that every time. And then the key is, can you find high probability entries here so that you can take those trades? Now right here we said if 58.50 or 58.75 would hold. We held 59 to the tick right here. And we had a target that we called that was 30 points away. So if you bought it down here where we said this morning, and the target was 30 points away, and there was a lot of opportunity between here and there. So that's how today played out, and we'll be doing the same thing tomorrow if you join us in the live trade room. And if you want to go back and watch the video from this morning where we mapped all of this out ahead of time so you can see that it actually played out the way we mapped it out, then you can do that by clicking the link up here in the corner. And we will see you in the live trade signals in the morning.